Get ready for the highly anticipated global launch of the OnePlus 15. This flagship device is set to make waves, and we've got all the details you need to know. The OnePlus 15 is about to take the world by storm, but will it live up to the hype? Unveiled just a few days ago in China, the OnePlus 15 is now ready for its grand entrance onto the global stage. Mark your calendars for November 13th, as that's the day this exciting new smartphone will be officially unveiled worldwide. While pricing details are still under wraps, there's an early bird offer you won't want to miss. Starting now and running until the launch date, you can secure your spot by paying a €99 deposit on OnePlus.com. This deposit will not only guarantee your place in line, but also entitle you to a €50 discount and an incredible bundle of freebies worth a whopping €350. But here's where it gets controversial. The OnePlus 15 won't be accompanied by the A6, and there's no word yet on a potential OnePlus 15R. In fact, the OnePlus 13 and its R-series counterpart, the OnePlus 13R, went global earlier this year, leaving many to speculate about the future of the R-series and its connection to the Ace models. Speaking of the OnePlus 15, it's worth noting that the company has parted ways with Hasselblad, opting instead for the all-new DetailMax Engine. How does this new engine stack up? Well, that's a question we'll have to explore further. But you can get a sneak peek by checking out our first hands-on experience with the OnePlus 15 camera. And this is the part most people miss. The early bird offer includes some fantastic options for your freebies. You can choose from the OnePlus Watch 3 in either 46mm or 43mm, the OnePlus Pad Lite tablet, the OnePlus Buds Pro 3, or the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 Gimbal. Yes, the older version, but still a great choice. The first 100 customers on launch day will receive the gimbal plus one of the other freebies. But keep in mind that the gimbal is available in limited quantities. So, are you excited for the OnePlus 15? Will it live up to the expectations set by its predecessors? And what do you think about the early bird offer and the potential absence of the A6 and OnePlus 15R? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Let's discuss and explore the possibilities together.